This is an installation video for a 6 Series BMW from 2004 to 2015. Your BMW was designed for a wind deflector. Start by lowering your top and pushing your seats forward. Extend one barrel bolt, slide the wind deflector into the rear seat, and slide that barrel bolt into the hole in the side trim panel. Your barrel bolts will lock into place, and then lower your wind deflector so that the rear brackets slide into the rear holes. Removal is just as easy. Put the top panel down, loosen one side barrel bolt, slide it back, and lift your wind deflector out. Your wind deflector will store in the trunk of your car. You will need to slide the barrel bolt down by removing the screws, sliding the bolt down, and then replacing the screws into the holes and quickly tightening them back up. Remember to do it for both sides. The rear brackets rotate for storage, so when putting the wind deflector back into your car, just remember to unloosen the thumb screw, quarter of a turn, and then retighten the thumb screw. Quick and easy. If you have any questions, please contact us at loveofthedrive.com.